Are you trying to decide between Joplin, Logseq, and Obsidian? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these three note-taking tools. Each has its own style and features, but they all help you organize your thoughts and ideas. Joplin is a free, open source tool. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use. You can create notes, to do lists, and even sync them across devices. Joplin is great for those who want a straightforward approach to note taking. Logseq is a bit different. It's designed for knowledge management. You can create a network of linked nodes. This helps you see connections between ideas. Logseq uses a unique outliner format, making it easy to structure your thoughts. Obsidian is known for its powerful linking features. It allows you to create a personal knowledge base. You can write notes in Markdown and link them together. Obsidian is perfect for those who want to dive deep into their notes and explore relationships. Now, let's look at the key differences. Joplin is user friendly and great for basic note taking. Logseq focuses on outlining and connections. Obsidian shines with its linking capabilities and customization options. When it comes to features, Joplin supports offline access and has a mobile app. Logseq offers a graph view to visualize your notes. Obsidian has a variety of plugins to enhance functionality. In terms of pricing, Joplin is completely free. Logseq is also free with optional paid features. Obsidian has a free version, but some features require a subscription. So, which tool should you choose? If you want simplicity, go for Joplin. If you like outlining and connections, try Logseq. For deep linking and customization, Obsidian is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.